Okay, well, welcome back everybody. We are working with the grid type of system for drawing, and we're going to pick up here back from our recent video, and we're going to start adding in some lines here for our drawing. So I'm going in here in the center box, and there is a total of 9 squares within this grid. So I've covered up 6 of these squares so that I can just concentrate here at the very top. So in my box here in the center, I've got a line here where I'm just going to follow what is in my actual reference here and just start adding lines. Again, I sketch these lines in quite lightly. And you want to also work with and remembering these things as you're adding in your very fine lines here, to think about spacing and or your negative space, getting things a bit more in alignment as you go through putting this drawing together using the grid system. So you want to be careful, right? You want to be careful and be alert, and just pay a little bit of attention, to your alignments. This is a good actual system here for beginners, again, I say, because it kind of pinpoints you and keeps you kind of stabilized in a sense, and just one particular area to where you get things quite centered or in alignment on your paper here, your drawing paper. So I'm just sketching in these very fine lines, or very lightly. So now, this is again quite an interesting technique, but very useful. I don't know how well this can actually work in painting. I've actually never tried this, using this type of technique when it comes to doing a particular painting. Who knows, maybe it's a very useful type of technique to implement as well. So again, this is a very very nice technique to implement. It's been around for many generations. I would say, again, for our beginners, do try to work with this and get a little comfortable using this. Discipline yourselves, definitely, and you'll be amazed at the final outcomes you know, once you have put this all together. And then erase all of your, you know, your squares or your boxes here, and see your final outcome. Darkening, of course, you darkening your lines and add whatever details that you need or desire to. But I do hope that you all find this video, as we move along into it, very useful and enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and do turn on your post notifications so that you're notified when I do post new videos here. So until my next video, take care and bye for now.